here soon. You can see Chris Patterson storming down on the inside here. To drive any second here, I reckon. Here we go. Always a tricky moment. See, he makes this one. Chris is going there. Here comes the jibe. Ooh, safe. Here comes the jibe over here. Very nice. Control there. Now get the sheet on and go again. Whoever gets set up here fast. Rob Fleming is coming here. For it there. Pretty aggressive. Ooh, pretty aggressive. He's going to go over. Very aggressive. And Mark Stowell is going to capitalize on that, I think, if he's just staying upright. We follow the 1 and 2 in here. Into the finish on the next one. Chris Patterson winning the first race. Capsizes out there, Rob Fleming and Mark Stowell, and the other ones have capsized already on the first upwind. They're coming up from the top mark there. Last boat running right now. Getting ready for race.